Hey guys, Flyer from Luxon Notes here. Today I'm going to show you how to start and install Minecraft plugins on your server. So before you can start your Minecraft server, you'll need a Minecraft server jar, that's hashtag spigot, folia, or even paper. It's really up to you, but for this tutorial I'm going to use spigot. So I'm going to download 1.8 spigot download. You can just search that up. Then I'm gonna head over to the first result, which is usually GetBucket because that's the most used website. Then click this, then press save. After it's done downloading, drag the Spigot jar that you downloaded or Folia or whatever you're using at the moment. I'm using Spigot, so I'm dragging the Spigot jar into my Minecraft server files. After it's done uploading, head over to your startup command and see what Java file it's looking for. Mine's currently looking for server.jar. So I'm going to rename that to server.jar. Make sure you have the required Java version for this, because if you don't, it won't work. So once you've done all of the things I told you, you should press the start button. Then it will ask you for EULA. You must read the Minecraft EULA terms and conditions, so once you've read them, press accept. As you can see, our Minecraft servers has started up now. So it's time to install our Minecraft plugins. It's up to you where you want to download them or buy them from. I'm gonna use BiggetMC because it's the most used and trusted website. I'm gonna look for a 1.8 Minecraft plugin because that is my Minecraft. So let's say I found this plugin, I want to use it, and then said tested Minecraft versions 1.8. We're on 1.8, so let's go ahead and download that. So after we're done downloading it, let's head over to our plugins folder. Then let's open this folder. Then we can see simple essentials.jar. Let's drag that in now since that's the plugin we downloaded. And then restart or start your server now. As you can see, simple essentials plugin has enabled since we have no issues because we downloaded a 1.8 Minecraft plugin. So let's test it out. As you can see, our Minecraft server is currently up. Let's join this. Then make sure to have yourself opt for this because we don't have a permission plugin yet. So because this command has permissions to use the command, so you'll need a permissions plugin for this. But for now, I'm just gonna opt myself. So let's see if the plugins is really working. As you can see, simple essentials is currently on. Then let's do simple essential commands, or let's look for some. As you can see, there's currently pan, broadcast, fly, game mode, kick, basically essential commands. So let's try to do /fly. You now can't fly. How about we enable it? You now can fly. As you can see, it works. And then what can we try? Let's go try broadcast. Broadcast. This is a test. Elixir is the best. As you can see, it's working. So basically, that's how you install your Minecraft server and then install a Minecraft plugin on it too. So thank you for watching and thank you for trusting Elixir Notes. Goodbye!